To be race 3. And we play at it yan ang Santa Ana Park, Saxon.
Huling tala, patok.
Gates open, they're off and racing, searching for the leader. There she goes, it's Huling Tala. Ale is running by Drell, and in third we have He's the Man, Manila's Jam, 3 wide, Sister Moon Reporter is running by Drell, is sneaking in, He's the Man alongside, Has It Coming, then followed over by Wind of Change, and the early trailer is Harana, doing 16.5 on the opening quarter. Down to the 5-8 mile pole, they travel. Huling Tala, the early leader by Walolenka, and in second Ale, He's the Man is running in third, and running by Daryl fourth we have Reporter. Manila's Jam, the favorite, remains in fifth. Grand Homer still in sixth by another 4 lengths, doing 24 on the second quarter. Inside the last 600, it's still Huling Tala being chased now by Ale in second. Reporter remains in third. Manila's Jam still in fourth, and moving up in the middle once again we have entry number 6, He's the Man. Then here comes the immediate danger, that's Grand Homer, now coming into the race, doing another 24 on the third quarter. 3.50 to travel. Huling Tala maintaining a 3 lengths lead, and in second is a Grand Homer running by the Rizale Ale. Huling Tala is still dictating terms. Grand Homer remains in second, and finally it's Huling Tala. Grand Homer, Ale, Manila's Jam, Reporter for your Pentapecta. Then comes He's the Man, Has It Coming, Harana, Sister Moon, and